Organic waste, such as banana peels, is often discarded in waste bins. However, this seemingly useless waste can be transformed into valuable resources. Composting is one method to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. This process reduces landfill waste and creates a sustainable resource for agriculture. The global market for upcycled food products is experiencing significant growth. Projections estimate the market will reach US $14.9 billion by 2030. This growth highlights the substantial economic potential within the upcycled food sector. Upcycled foods represent a valuable opportunity for sustainable economic development. Globally, a significant portion of food production is lost or wasted. Approximately 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption goes to waste. This waste occurs throughout the entire food supply chain. Food loss happens during production, post-harvest, and processing stages. Food waste refers to food that is fit for consumption but discarded at retail or consumer levels. Upcycling presents a viable strategy to repurpose this wasted food into new products. The process focuses on transforming specific waste streams from factories. Examples of waste streams include mango peels, spent coffee grounds, or fruit pulp. These waste materials are repurposed rather than discarded. The transformation process converts these materials into useful products. Resulting products can include snacks, flours, or other ingredients. This approach promotes sustainability by reducing waste and creating value. This segment features companies and startups at the forefront of upcycled food innovation. The focus is on pioneering approaches to transforming food waste into valuable products. Upcycled food innovations reduce environmental impact by minimizing waste. The segment highlights the technologies employed in upcycling processes. It also explores the specific processes used to create new food products from discarded materials. Market strategies for successfully introducing upcycled foods to consumers are examined. Consider the types and quantities of food typically discarded in your household. Explore the concept of upcycling these discarded food items instead of throwing them away. Upcycling transforms waste materials into new products of better quality or for environmental value. Research creative recipes that utilize food scraps, such as vegetable peels or stale bread. Implement practical tips for preserving food to extend its shelf life and reduce waste. Share upcycling ideas and recipes with your community to promote sustainable practices. Upcycled food initiatives are gaining traction in the UK and Europe, addressing food waste challenges. These initiatives focus on transforming food byproducts and surplus into new, marketable products. Specific examples include using spent grains from brewing to create flour and snacks. Another example is turning fruit and vegetable pulp from juice production into fiber-rich ingredients. Market trends indicate a growing consumer demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly food options. This demand is driving innovation and investment in upcycled food technologies and businesses across the region. The UK, divided by Europe, and Nigeria, divided by Africa, have distinct approaches to upcycled food. Differing economic conditions and resource availability influence these approaches. Challenges in upcycled food production and distribution also vary significantly between regions. Cultural norms and consumer acceptance play a crucial role in shaping the upcycled food landscape. The upcycled food trend faces regulatory hurdles that impede its growth and wider acceptance. Labeling regulations pose a significant challenge, as clear definitions and standards for upcycled are often lacking. Inconsistent or absent labeling guidelines can confuse consumers and hinder market transparency. Safety standards also present a barrier, requiring clarity on processing methods and ingredient sourcing for upcycled products. Market access is further restricted by regulatory complexities, impacting the ability of upcycled foods to compete effectively. Consumer perception is a critical factor in the adoption of upcycled food products. Understanding consumer willingness to try upcycled food is essential for market success. Purchase decisions are influenced by factors such as perceived value and health benefits. Consumer education plays a key role in shaping positive attitudes towards upcycled ingredients. Transparency in labeling and sourcing can increase consumer trust and acceptance. Addressing concerns about food safety and quality is crucial for widespread adoption. Taste perceptions significantly influence the market success of upcycled food products. Flavor enhancement is crucial in transforming upcycled ingredients into palatable foods. Innovations in flavor masking can neutralize undesirable tastes from upcycled components. Product development focuses on creating appealing textures and aromas to enhance sensory experiences. Strategic ingredient combinations can optimize taste profiles and consumer acceptance. Successful upcycled products often mimic familiar flavors to ease consumer transition. The upcycled food trend is enabled by technological advancements in food processing. New processing techniques allow for the efficient transformation of food byproducts into valuable ingredients. Advanced preservation methods extend the shelf life of upcycled products. These technologies contribute to reducing food waste and creating sustainable food solutions. Innovative business models are crucial for supporting the upcycled food industry. Strategic partnerships can enhance the sourcing and distribution of upcycled ingredients. Optimizing the supply chain is essential for efficient, upcycled food production. Direct-to-consumer strategies enable businesses to reach environmentally conscious customers. These models focus on reducing food waste and creating sustainable products. Successful implementation requires collaboration across the value chain. Consumer demand for sustainable products is steadily increasing across various markets. This trend is driven by growing environmental awareness and concerns about resource depletion. Upcycled food represents a significant category within the broader sustainable products market. Upcycled foods utilize byproducts and surplus ingredients to create new, value-added products. This approach reduces food waste, minimizing its negative environmental impact. By choosing upcycled food, consumers actively contribute to a more sustainable and circular economy. Food waste can be transformed into valuable upcycled products. Visual contrast highlights the difference between discarded waste and appealing upcycled items. Upcycling reduces environmental impact by repurposing waste materials. This process adds economic value to materials otherwise considered worthless. Upcycled products can include anything from new food products to other useful items. Consider the environmental and economic impact of food waste. Food waste contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Upcycling offers a sustainable solution by transforming waste into valuable products. Upcycled foods help reduce waste and create new revenue streams. Support the upcycling movement by seeking out upcycled food products. Look for upcycled food products on store shelves and make informed purchasing choices.